Forgotten your Windows password and locked out of your computer? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Windows password easily in just a few minutes, whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's dive right into the steps and get you back into your PC without breaking a sweat. First, turn off this computer that has the password. Now go to another computer and we create a bootable USB drive. Open the browser that is on the computer. Type the search Rufus. Click to open this first link. Move down to download this software. Drag it to the desktop. Next, we need to download the Windows ISO that we are going to use when creating a bootable USB drive. I already have a video showing how you can download this ISO, so check it out from the link in the description. Insert a USB drive to the computer. Click to open Rufus. Here, if your USB not shows up, click on List USB Hard Drives option. It's selected. Now under Boot Selection, click on Select. Choose the ISO that you downloaded. After that, click on Start. Leave everything as it is and click on OK. Now wait this to complete making the bootable USB drive. OK, after that we need to turn the computer that has the password. Press the boot key on your computer. Here choose the USB drive option. Now the Windows setup will start. Click on Next. Here, click on Repair Your Computer option. Troubleshoot. Then under Advanced Options, select Command Prompt. Now type in the following commands. After that, click to close. Then click on Continue to Windows 10 option. OK. Here click on this accessibility icon. This will open up the command prompt. Now type in Control User Password 2 and press Enter. Here click on Reset Password option. Enter your new password and click on OK. Now enter the new password here. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Windows password and regained access to your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips like this. See you next time.